What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video was about how to invest for beginners, guys. Hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, on this Thanksgiving holiday, it was the perfect time for not only for me to talk to you guys about what I'm grateful for, which is all of you, and what I'm thankful for, which is all of you, but to make a video on how to invest. Right now is a prime time for many new and beginning investors to want to get their feet wet, want to kind of test the stock market, maybe for the first time, to kind of see what this thing is all about. How are people building all of this wealth through the stock market? How are people leaving the corporate plantation and things of that nature? And I am here to walk alongside you guys on today and show you just how. Listen, guys, I'm Chris saying I do a 0 to 100K challenge each and every year to kind of walk alongside you guys to show you the proper way of building out your portfolio, the patience needed to, again, let your plays kind of mature and get to where they're going to get to. Okay, with that being said, there's so many lessons that you learn on this dynamic and unique journey that I want to make sure that I'm exposing as many people as possible to the possibilities of how to build wealth in the stock market. Okay, so I need your help. Please share this video with at least 10 people, and please make sure you like this video and try to get us at least 4,000 to 5,000 likes on this so that it gets out to those people that are looking for the right type of guidance on getting their investment journey started. Okay, listen, guys, it's a marathon, as I often say around here, but this video is for those that want to start right now throughout the end of the year and be with us throughout 2022. Okay, because sometimes I get the question, hey Chris, is it too late to jump in? Did I already miss it? This video will focus on plays that if you were starting today, you could get in right now and then kind of, again, follow the daily teachings from this point forward into the end of the year, and then as we go on this entire journey together for all of 2022. Okay, so listen, guys, before I jump into that, let me highlight just one of the family members. You guys know how we do every day. We got receipts, and we're going to talk about and celebrate and love on each and every person that's part of this community. Okay, let's check this one out. This one say, hi Chris, I don't know if you remember me, T945. I took your beginning trading class in September 2020. Since that time, my Robinhood account is up 72%. I'm still timid when doing options, but today my AMD option, it didn't do too bad. Major salute, Toy. Major salute, Toya. On Friday, I purchased 4 contracts. I love that. I love the growth. I teach you guys to start out small, and then as you guys build more confidence, you grow to 3 contracts, 5 contracts. I'm loving her following the progression. She purchased 4 contracts, sold one for 224%. Around here, guys, we're going to have the best lingo, the best swag and flavor of the game. 224% return is called a home run. If we ever talking that home run talk, somebody has made 100% or more on their play. She went on to say 2 at 236% and the last at about 320. Not bad. No, that is spectacular. That is phenomenal. Thanks for all your guidance. Looking forward to leaving the corporate plantation. The attached snapshot is just as I sold 2 of the remaining 3 contracts. Toy, this made my day, man. Listen, guys, your success is what I do this for, man. To see you all come to the realization of what's possible, that is what it's all about for me, guys, and I couldn't be more pleased. I am going to dive right now into some plays that I want you to consider if you want to start building wealth through the stock market, as well as showing you guys plays you need to be in. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Kicking it off with what I call a pillar. You want your core positions inside of your portfolio. You don't need more than 10 total stocks. That's a principle around here. But when you start off, you need just a handful of stocks. No more than 1 to 3 preferably. Okay, I'm going to go through a few today for you to consider. Okay, and then you make the best decision according to you. Apple. Okay, ticker symbol AAPL, currently sitting at $162. This company not only is the biggest company in the world, and it's the biggest company by market cap, so it takes up more of the space of the S&P 500. So as this company moves, oftentimes so does the market. Okay, listen guys, this is a core play. This is a phenomenal play. I often say buy things you know, like, and love. As you can see, I'm holding an Apple phone right now. I'm recording this video on an Apple. Okay, this computer to my left, your right maybe, is an Apple. Okay, you need to invest in things you know, like, and love. If you drink coffee, you might want to consider Starbucks. If you go to Costco or Target, you may want to consider things like that. Nike is one of my other plays. I go to the gym every morning and I wear Nike to the gym. Okay, and that is a product that I'm very familiar with. That is kind of what you want to have as your core. Okay, Apple is one that I want you to consider. Now this price right here is a little on the higher side, so I often say if you can wait for a pullback, preferably down to the 140 range, would be where you want to enter this at, because buying low is really the name of the game. Number two would be a ETF, an exchange traded fund. This is nothing more than a basket of stocks. So in here you would own Apple, you would own Facebook, Microsoft, you would own Google, Amazon, all of that, all by just buying this for $241. A VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Listen guys, this is for those of you that are working, that don't have time to be looking and researching stocks, but you kind of know and got a feel for what you should be doing and stocks you should be in. Okay, if you know you don't have the time, if you can't stare at the market all day, just buy your ETF, set it and forget it in here. I built my wealth. I have millions of dollars all in this one ETF. Okay, that's how I was able to retire young. That's how I'm able to not ever work again a day in my life. I did it through this, because this, on a look at this, on a yearly basis is up 28%. Imagine getting 30% on $1 million. Okay, imagine getting 30% a year on $2 million. Okay, this is a phenomenal year. This play has been going up, up, and up. Okay, you can do this. This is set it and forget it. It's not sexy, but it's a way to build your wealth. Okay, and even on the years that you don't get 30%, you're still getting 10%, 12%. Okay, guys, it's life-changing money when you do this the right way. Another one I got for you guys is Tesla. Ticker symbol TSLA. It might be a stock split on the horizon, so you guys want to put this on your watch list, okay? This particular play is a phenomenal one, though. Phenomenal company in the EV car space, okay? But they're bigger than cars. They're more like a tech company that does so much more, okay? So as it relates to Tesla, this is your first in class, best in class, okay? A lot of EVs will come down the pipe, but this one was on the front end and they're light years ahead of everybody else. Okay, listen, this particular play, you want to get this at $911 or below. Okay, but we often have a rule around here. You can nibble at these levels if you suspect a run up, but we don't want you buying high. The name of the game is to buy low. Okay, and then last but not least, one that's more affordable, but that's also a growth stock that will do wonders if you get it on the low, is Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR, currently sitting at $21.20. This particular play, we love it at the $20 range. We love it even more at 19, 18, or 17. Okay, this is one that right now is close to a buy zone. As it finished consolidating, it will be revving up for another run up that I want you guys that are new and beginning investors to consider to be part of. Okay, these are just a handful of plays to kind of get you guys started on the right track. Around here we have a rule. Okay, we buy 125 shares of everything. Okay, and what we like to do, we have these principles that guides us, that we try to abide by. Okay, so one thing that we do, we like to buy 125 shares minimum of everything. The ultimate goal is to get 1,000. Another thing we like to do is invest $500 minimum every 2 weeks. You do what you can afford. Your number might be more, your number might be less, but it's the getting in the habit of paying yourself first. Okay, these are some of the most important principles on our 100K challenge. Some of you going to be after 0 to 25K. Some of you going to go to 50K. Some of you going to go to 75K. Some of you will try to hit 100K as your goal, but the journey is what's most important, okay? And then the most important of them all is putting your stop loss on some of your more high risk plays so that you protect yourself to the downside, because the market will crash, the market will pull back, and the market will correct. So you have to prepare for that. But listen guys, this is just a quick video on how to invest for my new and beginning investors to get you started on this holiday weekend. Listen man, have a blessed and beloved day. Enjoy your family. More importantly, enjoy some good food. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.